Cleaning business owner, if you are trying to land commercial accounts and you're being told that your prices are too high, watch this video. I have a solution for you. All right, so you just executed a great walkthrough with a prospective client. You went through the whole entire office. You put together a custom proposal. You had good rapport. Everything was going really good. Then you handed in your proposal, and then crickets. You guys went from great communication to no answer on the text, no answer on call, no answer no matter what you try. Frustrating, isn't it? The wrong thing would be to come up with a conclusion, a false conclusion that people are just cheap and they don't want to pay what you're actually worth. So the shortest possible answer is to follow up with that prospect no matter what. Keep following up, keep following up. But the longer term solution is you have to speak to a higher clientele. You have to speak a message and solve a problem for somebody who can afford your services versus going to all these other businesses who can't.